Kristen. New this morning, we have the audio of the moment the Hoover dispatcher put out the call that a Hoover police officer was shot in the line of duty Sunday morning.
Take a listen.
Agent 3 Rescue 8 Battalion 2 responding 2001 River Lake Drive. It's going to be on a gunshot. It's going to be officer that is hit, possibly another victim.
What we now know is that one person is dead. The police officer is being treated for injuries and a suspect is in custody. Hoover police say officers responded to what they say was a call about a mentally disturbed person. Police Chief Clay Morris says when officers arrived on Ridge Lake Drive in the South Lake neighborhood, a man had shot at a family member and at police, injuring one of them.
The suspect's family member, who was also struck by gunfire, was pronounced deceased at the scene. Officers returned fire and struck the suspect, who was transported to the hospital in stable condition.
The Shelby County coroner identifies the man who died as 71-year-old Glenn Adrian Griggs. The case has now been turned over to the State Bureau of Investigation.
In Arizona, authorities continue to search for clues related to the